lads, well, I finally got the book that I was posting up, and the one that you've probably seen in the thumbnail, but I finally got it. Amazon decided not to deliver it the first time, so I actually had to refund it, and well, how would I say, actually I had to refund it and buy it again. I even paid more for shipping, just to make sure it would come, but it actually finally came, so I'm going to do an unboxing of it. Now, what I'm actually unboxing, for anyone that doesn't know, is the Camouflage, Waffen SS Camouflage reference book by Michael D. Beaver, and I got it for about 60 quid, which is very good because I'm actually kind of intrigued by that price, because they usually go for upwards of 80 to 100 euro. You can actually find them on Eason's, but they're over like 100 euro. Right. Wow. Now this might sound stupid, but it's one of my dream reference books. Let me just try to get a better shot of that. Wow. Now the cover is on a bit weird, but that's okay. So yeah, wow. You can actually see some of the. Let me try to get a better shot here. No, apologies. I kind of my tripod setup is a bit weird. Sometimes some stuff gets in the way. Wow. So I think this is about 258 pages long now. I'm not actually going to be doing a whole showing you all the pages, but I'll definitely flick through a lot of them. So I do own one other reference book, but it's fairly small, and I got it for about 15 quid off Eason's if you're in Ireland. Right, so here you can actually see the content page. Pattern, Zeltband, smocks, headgear, armoured personnel clothes, so that's probably Panzer Grenadiers. Winter clothing, M44, that's probably P-Dot, I'd say. SS paratroopers, tropical clothing modifications, Liebermoose. Ooh, I'm actually quite excited to see that, because you never really see much stuff on Liebermoose there. Comparative section, camouflage uniform. Ooh, there's even one for the Wehrmacht as well, which I was going to say it's a bit stupid that I'm doing this on a Splinter camouflage set band, but at least now it fits. Appendix and then a biography. Oh, okay, that's not bad. I'm definitely going to be reading this all day. So you can actually see some pretty impressive artwork there. I'm just going to have a quick flick through some Zeltbands. Was that plain? Sorry, I'm still a bit rusty on my old camouflage patterns, especially for SS. Palm tree is one of my favorites, especially the autumn version. Wow. Yeah, there's a lot of fucking information in this. Oh, cool. Even give you a little bookmark. That's actually quite cool. Keep that there. And then put that aside, actually. Oh, interesting. So actually, there, if you can see it on the camera, is actually a. The book is massive. It's actually a blueprint, if you will. It's actually quite cool. So I never actually see much videos on this book on YouTube. I've only ever seen one. I'll probably link it in the description. But yeah. Actually, I'm quite happy that I found this. Ooh, that's interesting. I never really see much on the green kind of what's it called? Like skulls and eagles. So that's quite cool. Let me see if there's anything on the Wehrmacht there. Oh yeah. Well, that's not really Wehrmacht. Paratrooper. So Fallschirmjäger. Ooh, that's interesting. Paratrooper jump smock and P-Dot. Some officers' uniforms. Some modifications. Liebermuster. The closest thing I have to Liebermuster is only unfortunately just some what's it called? Camouflage, but I'm not really too sad about that. I love Camouflage personally. Used a lot on kind of camera, a lot on fall screen Jaegers. So if you're really into fall screen Jaeger stuff, I recommend this book. Yeah, so just mostly just Splinter stuff for the Wehrmacht and some swamp camo, I think is it called. Yeah, water. After forgetting the name of it, sorry. No, it's actually quite interesting. Well, actually, I'm quite actually impressed with the length. Oh, I'm actually quite impressed with the size of this book. I mean, I did on Amazon. I paid about 60 quid for this book. There you can even see that's 80 quid US right there if my camera could focus. So I'll just get the cover on there properly. Actually, I'm quite happy with this book. It's definitely going to be a really big, a really good, how would I say, a really good acquisition to my collection, I guess you could say. Actually, I'm quite happy with it. So I'll link where I got it in the description, but if it might be a bit more expensive because the last time I checked, these are about like €90 now on Amazon. But if you're willing to pay that price, then go ahead. But sometimes I think Amazon gets them in for about 60 to 70 quid. I paid about 69 including shipping for me on Amazon. If you're in Ireland, you'll get it in about 3 days if you pay for that, or if you have Amazon Prime. But no, I'm actually quite happy with that. Actually, I'll show you what it looks like without the cover as well. Wow, that's really nice. So actually, I'm really impressed with this book. I kind of thought it would be a bit smaller, not gonna lie. But yeah, just a really quick one there for you lads. If you're really interested in this book and you want more, just let me know. If you want anything from it, like if you want specific stuff. But yeah, I guess I'll see you in the next one. Let's go on.